All right, so we are ready for the next part to our landscape lesson. And you're going to get 3 pieces of green paper, and they're going to have lines on it already. So you can see that goes light, medium green, and then a dark green. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and cut on that black line best you can. So perhaps we have gone on our art walk already before we get to this part, and we've talked about foreground, middle ground, and background in a landscape. And that is how an artist creates distance in their work. So the foreground is right up front, and any objects that would be in the foreground are going to be really big. So in the middle ground, they're going to be medium size, and in the background, they're going to be small. So now we have our papers cut, we have to line these up. You see how you can still see a little bit of that black? I don't like when that happens, so I flip it over so I can use this side. All right, so dark, medium, and then light. Oops, this one I'm going to flip over too. And this is how the ground is going to be. So I've got, this is my foreground. This represents the middle ground, and this represents the background. Of course, I would glue this one, my foreground, right down to my middle ground, lining up those edges. And then I'm going to put glue on the back of this and line it up with that straight line of my background. And then when you have this all together, you're going to get a blue piece of paper for the sky. So we're going to glue this down just like that. Once this is done, of course, put your name and class code on the back. We're going to be ready for the next step.